seventh graders. I hope that you're doing well. So today, or this week, we're starting our very last week of school. And so I want you to reflect on this year and set a goal for next year. And we're going to do that in a creative and fun way. I don't want you to feel like you have to write a bunch, but I want you to just explore your creativity and have some fun reflecting on some things that you're proud of and things that you still want to improve. So I really want you to think on the skills that you've developed this year and the ideas that you've explored in design class. How do you feel about the work that you've done? The first part of this task today is to take time to reflect on this year, and I want you to answer these two questions. In your head, you don't have to write these down, but answer these two questions. What is the achievement or improvement in design that you are the most proud of? So what's something you did you're the most proud of? Maybe it's you learned how to be a better sketch artist. Maybe you've gotten better at research. Maybe you've gotten better at analysis. Maybe you are really proud of your time management skills, or you feel a great sense of achievement over a certain project. Whatever it is, just think of one achievement or improvement that you've made this year that you're really proud of. Then I want you to think about what's an area that you need to or would like to continue to strengthen in the coming year in design. So think about maybe you're not so good at time management, and so you want to continue to work on that. Maybe your ability to express yourself creatively isn't as strong as you'd like it to be, or maybe you'd like to develop a stronger ability with our online tools like Google Docs and Google or drawing tools, things like that. So just try to think of an area that you'd like to continue to strengthen and something that you are really already proud of. So you're going to think of one area that you're super proud of and one area that you know you still need to work on. These can be any of your approaches to learning skills. These can be specific parts of the design cycle. They can just be certain skills or things that you do in design. Then I want you to create a visual aid that communicates this reflection and goal. So this visual aid can be literal, which means that it's showing a literal scene that is of your achievement or of your goal, or it can be metaphorical, so mean that it has a symbol that represents the achievement or goal. So whatever way you want to do this, very literally or very abstractly, is okay. Just be creative. You can create this aid using your device, so using tools like Canva or a drawing app, or you can make a model using toys or objects in your home. You can sketch your goal, you can make an animation, you can make a comic strip, you can do anything that you like. Just be creative in some way that you enjoy and depict this reflection that you have done. So show us the thing that you're most proud of and the thing that you want to develop further. So we want to show that in some way. You need to submit this visual aid today if you can, and then on Wednesday we're going to share our representations of our goals and our successes with the class in our final Google Meet. I'm going to hang on to those goals, and then we'll look at the next year so we can take a closer look at how you've continued to grow and you've continued to develop in design. I can't wait to see what you guys do for this. Just be creative, answer those two questions, and represent those answers in your visual reflection. You can do that any way that you like. Just be creative and have fun. This is no pressure. Just find a way to represent the thing that you're proud of and the thing that you want to improve, okay? I will see you guys on Monday. I can't wait to see what you do. Not Monday, excuse me. I'll see you on Wednesday. Talk to you on Wednesday. Today is Monday. I'll see you on Wednesday. I hope you guys have a good day. Can't wait to see what you do. Bye.